Hello everyone, I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I will express your emotions with Italian. Okay, let's begin. Emozioni, emozioni, emotions, emozioni, emozioni. Please pronounce these words with me. Felice, happy, felice, felici. Felice for men and women and felici is a plural one. So you can use it for the group of men and women. Felici. The next one is triste. Triste, sad. Tristi for the group of men and women is called tristi. Pronounce them and write down them on your notebook, okay? The next is emozionato, excited. Emozionato has four forms for a man, for a woman, and for the group of women and men and the group of girls or group of women. Okay, emozionato for men, emozionata for women, emozionati for the group of men and women, and emozionate for the group of women. Excited. Okay, I hope you all get me right now. The next one is preoccupato, worried. It also has four forms. Preoccupato for men, preoccupata for women, preoccupati for the group of men and women, preoccupati for the group of women. Worried. Preoccupato, preoccupata, preoccupati, preoccupate. Okay? These all emotions has four forms. Only Felice and Triste have two forms. The next one is annoiato, bored. It also has four forms. Annoiato for men, annoiata for women, annoiati for the group of women and men, and annoiate for the group of women. Annoiato, annoiata, annoiati, annoiate, bored. Okay? Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. The next word is confuso. Confuso. It also has four forms. Confuso, confusa, confusi, confuse. Confuso for men, confusa for women, confusi for the group of men and women, and confuse for the group of women. Confused. Confuso, confused. The next word is impaurito, scared. Impaurito. Impaurito, imporita, imporiti, imporite. I hope you all get these words, okay? Frustrato, frustrated. Frustrato for men, frustrata for women, frustrati for the group of men and women, frustrate for the group of women. Frustrato, frustrated. Frustrato, frustrata, frustrati, frustrate. Okay? Our next word is imprezzato, embarrassed. Imprezzato, imprezzata, imprezzati, imprezzate. Imprezzato for men, imprezzata for women, imprezzati for the group of men and women, and imprezzate for the group of women. Next one is shy. Timido, timida, timidi, timide. Timido for men and timida for women. The next word is the opposite one, outgoing. Estroverso, estroverso, estroversa, estroversi, estroverse. Estroverso for men, estroversa for women, estroversi for the group of men and women, and estroverse for the group of women. Next word is nervoso, 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 nervosa, nervosi, and nervosi. ze. Nervoso for men, nervosa for women, nervosi for the group of men and women, nervose for the group of women. Ansioso, anxious, ansioso, ansiosa, ansiosi, ansiose. Ansioso for men, ansiosa for women, ansiosi for the group of men and women, ansiose for the group of women. Anxious, ansioso. Please must subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you so much.